First, open the PS5 client. Click to start proxy. Select an IP and right-click to select the port. Click the port forwarding list below. Copy the port you just selected. Click on the upper right corner to find the settings. Click System. Click on Proxy Server Settings. Click to open and paste the content you just copied. Enter the URL of the query IP. It's set up now. Then proceed to open PS5. Click Process Proxy, then add Yandex browser to it. Click Go Proxy List, then click Start Agent. Right-click and select Program Connection. Right-click to run. Agent is now successful. It is consistent with the IP of the client.